Hey friends, want to make some bold, beautiful wall art without any fancy art skills? In this video, I'm going to show you how to create this dramatic, do-it-yourself crackle art using simple supplies and a little creativity. It will cost you less than $50 to make. Let's dive in. Here's what you'll need to get started. A black canvas, any size you like, and a white oil pencil for sketching the outline. The outline can be any form you like. Crackle paste, I used Montmartre, but feel free to use any brand you have access to. White glue, this will be our secret weapon for extra dramatic cracks. A white brush to spread the glue evenly, a spatula or palette knife to apply the paste, and finally some white paper tape for clean, crisp lines. Alright, let's get started. First, sketch your outline on the canvas using the oil pencil, then tape along the lines with white paper tape. This will help keep the edges neat and clean. Now apply a layer of white glue over the canvas. This step helps create more dramatic, beautiful cracks. To speed up the drying process, use a hairdryer, totally optional but helpful. Once that's dry, apply the crackle paste with a spatula. The thicker the paste, the bigger and deeper the cracks. Just keep in mind it will take longer to dry. Let it dry overnight and you're almost there. Okay, it's the next day, it's dry and ready. Time for my favorite part, removing the tape. My daughter is helping me with this step. I love how it turned out. I did decide to go back and add a bit more paste between the neck and the head to fill in the gap, and it worked perfectly. You can also use acrylic paint to add any extra details and pops of color you like. And that's it, your stunning crackle art is ready to hand and admire. Let me know in the comments, would you try this at home? If you enjoyed this project, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who loves a good DIY. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video!